The next thing I want to show you are some very lightweight snow chains. They are made of a very strong nylon. They're made of, let me have a look, composite. Blah 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 blah. These snow chains are made by Michelin from a composite material with some stainless steel clips. I'll just take one out and show you. I don't take them all out because they get a bit too bunged up. They come with a pair of gloves, and for you ladies, long sleeves. Okay, full instructions on how to do the job. And if I hold it up closer, I don't want to take them out because you've got to fold them up and get them back in again. It takes a bit of time. So let me just hold them up close for you to see. I hope that's close enough. You can see the detail. They are very strong. I've got them on my car. They work wonders. It's incredible how good they are, and they're lightweight. This is ideal for camping car. I've never used them yet, but with the new French law, once I go about an hour's drive from here, and I live on the coast in Saint-Maxime, is from November till March, you must have these in your car or your camping van. If you don't have the free mountain peak symbol on your tyre. My tyres are practically new, but they're not free peaks. That's why I've got these, and they might be handy on our next trip as we go into Morocco, into the desert. We might get a little bit stuck in a bit of soft sand. These might be able to pull me out. I don't know. You'll have to watch the videos of our trip to Morocco to find out if I use them. Obviously in the snow they're going to be okay, and if it rains down in Morocco, it's glaze. It's like a very slippery clay down there, and again these might just get me out of a situation where I might be stuck for a day or two until it dries. So they're going with me to Morocco. Okay guys, on my camping car the wheels are 15-inch, so Evo 11, again I'll come up and show you the sizes that the Evo 11s will cover. This is our one on the camping car, do 1570 15s. But if you come into this category, 16-inch or 17-inch wheels, Evo 11s. So be careful when you're looking for a pair to fit your camping car. Really take your time and don't order the wrong ones. Okay, Evo 11s for mine, maybe for yours, but do check. Take your time. Let's hope we don't have to use them in Morocco. Maybe early spring in 26 I go up into the mountains here, into ski station. They'll have to come with us, and maybe I'll have to use them up there. Anyway, till the next video, drive safely and watch out for those policemen. Until the next video guys, drive safe, and don't forget, subscribe to Itchy Wheels, hit that like button, tell your friends about us. Bye bye.